mainly want to see what's in there rattling around. It could be a marble for all I know. Kids are always jamming marbles into things, aren't they? Today we're looking at a talking typewriter by Petite. I don't know anything about this or the company that made it. I haven't looked it up yet. Didn't really want to spoil the surprise. All I do know is that it's untested, and I'll show you why. Because under here, someone left some batteries in it, and there's considerable corrosion on the terminals, kind of a green fuzz going on. Before I even can do anything with this machine, I have to deal with that. So that means taking it to the workbench. So let's go. All right, here we are. Let's get busy. Put that aside. Let's get this out of here. And the other side, ew, nasty. So last time I cleaned some terminals, I just used sandpaper. Now I've since found a better way to do it, thanks to the internet. That is, you take some vinegar and put it on a Q-tip. This is cleaning vinegar, by the way. And then you dab it on the corrosion. Let's hold it up here. Get it in there. We're gonna need more. It's mainly these terminals that I'm worried about. The plate in behind, it's just ugly, but you can probably hear something rattling around in the guts of this thing. I'm not sure what that is. We're gonna find out later. These aren't as in bad a shape as I originally thought. It's mainly just ugly. That's 2 used up. Go for a third, shall we? I can get that off of there. It does seem to be coming off. It's just, you gotta scrub it. Now the rest, gently being the operative word. Now some isopropyl alcohol. This is the 99%, so it has no oils or whatever in there, or next to none. And it evaporates pretty much right away, so now hopefully that's enough. Quick blast of this. That's just compressed air. All right, let's go test it with some batteries. All right, so we cleaned the battery compartment. That green stuff on there is pretty much on there good. Mainly we were worried about the terminals, these little bendy parts here. And those are pretty clean now. Should be clean enough to get a good contact with the battery. So yeah, we need some batteries. I had to go out and buy some C cells because I don't keep these around. The only thing I really use these for is my speak and spell. Now it's this kind of packaging, huh? Okay, so if only I had a carabiner with a knife on it. Oh, what do you know? I do have one of those. Okay, let's get this out of here. Oh, this plastic is terrible. That way. Criminy. Okay, those are in there. All right, we've got the recorder running, so moment of truth.
is your Petite talking typewriter.
It's got kind of an English accent going on there. All right, let's see what else it does. I'm assuming it's going to say these letters as I type them.
T U V W
Cool.
P O I N T Y Y Y.
I was hoping it was going to say the words too, but I guess not. But hey, it's still cool. It says the letters for you. Now, this stupid thing at the back here, I could not fathom how it attaches. So it's just kind of sitting there for now. And there's pointless putting any paper in there because there's no ribbon. So to get a good recording, I'm going to press and hold. And I'm going to go through the entire alphabet so that we can have that for posterity. And yeah, we'll go from there. So, starting with A.
B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R
Ah.
R
Ah.
R
Oh, Lord. R-S.
S T U V W X Y Z.
Ah, it's got like ampersand and all these numbers and stuff too.
Level 1 selected. Level 2 selected. Level 3 selected.
Oh.
Can you spell remain?
Oh, cool.
R E M A I N.
Well.
That is correct.
Oh.
Now try together.
What was that? Together? It's a funny way of saying it.
T O G E T H E R. Correct. Spell afternoon.
Afternoon. Okay.
A-F-T-R. Wrong. Try again. Afternoon. F-T-E-R. N-O-O-N. That is wrong. The correct spelling of afternoon is A-F. T E R N O O N. Now try incorrect.
Incorrect. Well, okay then.
I-N-C-O-R-R-E-C-T. Correct. Next, spell achieve.
Achieve. Okay.
A-C-H-I-E-E. Wrong. Try again. Achieve.
What the heck? Did I get that wrong?
A-C-H-I-V-E. That is wrong. The correct spelling of achieve is...
I'm obviously typing too fast for it.
spell sweater.
Oh, sweater.
S-W-E-A-T-E-R. Correct. Now try business.
Business. Okay.
B-U-S-I-N-E-S-S. That is correct. Now try dangerous.
Dangerous. How do I even stop this?
Alphabet level selected. Level 1 selected. Can you spell 5?
Ooh, that's a tough one. Okay.
F-I-V-E. Correct. Next spell fire.
What? Was that tire or fire? Oh, now you know what. You see, we spell tire differently here.
Fire.
What? Fire. Oh, geez, I don't know what you said, bud.
F-I-R-E. Correct. Can you spell bird?
Oh, dear. Bird. Okay.
B-I-R-D. Correct. Can you spell all?
Oh, I don't know what you said. Bowl? Let's take a chance on that.
B-O-W-L. That is incorrect. All.
Oh, is it ball you're saying?
B-A-L-L. That is wrong. The correct spelling of all is A-L. L.
It was all. Oh my goodness.
Can you spell dog?
Well, dog's an easy one.
D-O-G. Correct. Spell shell. That is wrong. The correct spelling.
Now that's enough. Right, so there's some games involved. That's pretty cool. I don't know, not having the manual, I don't know how many there are, etc. But spelling, that's kind of cool. It's just a shame that you can't understand this guy. It's the very thick British accent to the synthesizer in there. I mean, I can understand most Brits pretty good, but not this one. Let's see how many levels there are. Let's just go up a few more.
Level 1 selected. Level 2 selected. Level 3 selected. Alphabet level selected.
Okay, so there are 3, hey? I want to try the numbers and all these other weird, wacky symbols, so let's see what it does.
Hello, this is your Petite Talking Typewriter.
That's a super classy little tune, by the way. Okay, let's see what we get.
1, 2,
2.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, E.
What?
0.
Whoa, it booped. It doesn't know what to say when I put these in, I guess. Or it can't talk parentheses. Okay, so we get the numbers and we get boops. Well, I could go on testing this and trying to spell crazy words that I can't understand, but I think it's time to investigate the guts of this thing. I know I need to find out what's rattling around in there. It's driving me nuts. Well, let's put the battery case back on so that at least that's not falling out. Turn it over, because oh, look at this. It has a power jack on the side. That's good to know. Oh, hello. We have on the back, it has some information written here. It says Dobson Park Industries Limited, 1981. Wow, this is old. Made in England by Byron International, so it isn't French after all. I guess the accent was a giveaway. Chelsea Street, New Basford, Nottingham. Cool. And then it has a bunch of patent numbers for different countries. So it was sold in USA, Canada, UK, France, Germany. Okay, so how the hell do I get into this? It looks like it's got clips. Oh, well, I wonder if we can just get into it from the top. This must be for changing the ribbon. Oh, there we go. I don't want to break it. Oh, there we go. It just, okay. Ah, there's another clip there. While we're messing about, this is the ribbon. How the hell does that work? Not very well, apparently. Okay, we got the ribbon. And yeah, the ribbon is still in there, you see? I wonder if I can fish that out. Well, good luck getting another one of these, hey? All right, well, let's put that aside. The search continues. See, all I can see on the bottom are these little plastic nubs. And it's like something's been pushed in from the other side. So it's holding that mechanism in place. Well, I can see the circuit board in there. And I see a couple of clips right there. I wonder if that just pops right off. Okay, so I got tired of trying to open this thing up. If you look in here, there are some tabs. Everything seems to clip into place, and the clips are quite skookum. I don't want to risk breaking them though, because they're quite wide, you know, so you have to really reef on them to get them out of there. And there's a couple under this side too, which, yeah, again, I don't want to break that. But on the bright side, I did release this treasure from within. It was a marble after all. I just ended up tipping it upside down and shaking it to get that out of there. So it no longer rattles. So yeah, what a crazy machine. I'm fairly certain there's a Texas Instrument speech synth chip in there, but without opening it up, I can't tell for sure. There was a British version of the Speak and Spell, and it had that accent similar to this one. And they made French ones. Now, everything else clips on good, but this doesn't. So, I don't know, maybe there's something missing. Who knows? For now, it just sits there. And that way around. There we go, so that was the Talking Typewriter. What a fantastic piece of kit from back in the day, 1981.
Hello, this is your Petite Talking Typewriter.
I love that voice and I love that little tune.
B-Y-E.
Thanks for watching.
C-A-T-I-V-Y.
In the snoot.